Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I popped into Casa Cristina just to see how things are going. There's been a lot of work done lately, and boy, we got some furniture. Other furniture is arriving. I need to get it cleaned before the furniture gets here, and there's just a lot of finishing work that's being done. And hopefully we'll be done by the end of the week so we can actually get the cleaners in here and get the place cleaned and set up the furniture, which is so exciting. Anyway, I'm going to give you a little glimpse of it. I'm not going to do the full tour today because it's kind of messy, but I want you to see what we've got so far. It's gorgeous. Okay, and I am on the, well, I guess you call it the second level above the street level. So the first floor above the street level. And then there's two more stories that go down in the back. So I'm going to show you what we've got here so far. We've done different things. I'll have to tell you the story about the green room. So I wanted a sage green in here. And the first day Pete went in, of course he filmed it for me because I couldn't get in here. And it was lime neon green. And I was like, no, this is supposed to be a soothing place. It's supposed to be a place where you relax, not where you get assaulted by a bright, bright color. But I wanted to show you some of the details here. Of course, we have the rock wall, which is fabulous. The guys did a beautiful job restoring that. And then Antonello had the painters do these little things on the ceiling, which are so pretty. They're like little decorations. Now, of course, we have the beautiful balconies and everything else. What they did was they salvaged the balcony railings and they used them very, very sort of carefully to make sure that they got railings that matched the time period of this house. And then they sort of added in and created new railings with some of the old elements in it. And it's really a beautiful thing. Now, this is the natural stone from the region. And here's your view if you are in the green room. There's the sea out there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I wish it were sunny today because it really does look prettier in the sun. But I mean, even when there's magnificent thunderstorms and things like that, this place is spectacular. The view is crazy. Now, I want to show you the bathroom. It's a little bit dark. We haven't got the lighting in yet. We're just delivering it today. And a funny story on that. Okay, look at this beautiful thing. I don't know if you can see, get out of the way here, but this is sort of a textured wave here. And then we did just a beige, in here because we like to keep things simple. Nice big shower, big room for a toilet and bidet. Just really, really nice. I'm gonna let that stay open, air the place out. We're gonna go across the hall to the blue room. And the blue room is here. The blue room overlooks the street. And they had to put these steps in because the arch would take up space and we couldn't lower the balcony. We didn't really want to either. So the nice thing is when there are religious festivals or festivals at all, you get a bird's eye view because the church is just right up there. And this is really, really spectacular. Now, Nuncia's shop is right around the corner. And the piazza is also right around the corner. Now, an unusual feature about this room is that you'll notice the bathroom seems to be very well lit. And you've got a nice big shower there. Of course, they're still working on it. But there used to be, I don't know if you've seen in Italy, in the hill towns, sometimes they just stuck a bathroom right on the side of the house. And they had done that, but it had been removed. So we used the infrastructure to just make a little balcony off of the bathroom, just big enough to give you a little view of the hills, which is absolutely lovely this time of year. So every room in this house, except for the mansarda, which is up above, has a view of the hills or the sea or both. These are new state-of-the-art heating and air conditioning units. And again, in here, you have the beautiful little touches up in the corner there that you can see. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have artwork that I just finished that's going in. Going to match beautifully, and this place is really coming together. Okay, let's go up the stairs and see what's happening in the mansarda and the view from the mansarda room. It's the room up top. What I love about this room here, I found these little things as Salvatore was fixing the wall, and I saw these roof tiles. They used to just shove whatever in the walls and make walls out of them, and I saw these roof tiles. I said, oh, Salvatore, can you do something and make it so we can see them? He's like, really? They're so ugly. I go, no. And so he basically made like a frame to make it look like a painting. And he did that. Same in the hallway here. There's another one here, which I just love. I think that's so pretty. And then of course we have a nice big bathroom here with a shower. Very, very nice. Now, here's the Casa Cristina kicker, guys. Here's our beautiful terrace up here. Just gorgeous. I'm going to show you the views. And again, that's the sea out that way. This terrace is going to be a lovely place in the evenings to spend some time, have snacks, a pair of TV before you go off to dinner. Of course, the place needs a real thorough cleaning, but that's coming along. Another thing I wanted to point out is, look, we've got these sliding doors, which I love because you don't have to take up so much space. These were handmade by Hermano and Ego Labs up there in Papasidro, and they give a really, really beautiful touch to the place here. All of the doors, interior, are handmade by Hermano, and all of the windows are put in by our friend Antonello. Super high-end windows, super solid against the elements, and beautifully constructed.